Hey everyone, it's your favorite realtor, Shonda McRae, coming to you from day 2 of Keller Williams Mega Agent Camp here in San Antonio, Texas. So yesterday was all about embracing AI for efficiency and client care. But today we went deeper. We went deeper as far as into what truly means to build a life and a business worth having. So we talked about avoiding what's called a costly win, winning in one area, like your money or your production, but losing in other things that matter to you the most, like, your time, your health, your relationship, and your purpose. One of the biggest takeaways for me was reframing success into 5 types of wealth that the speaker spoke about. One was time wealth, right? Being intentional with the moments that matter to you the most. The second was social wealth, deepening the relationships that truly sustain us. The third was mental wealth, creating space to think or reflect and realign with your purpose. And the fourth was physical wealth, taking care of your body so you can show up fully. So that stuck to me. But financial wealth was the fifth, defining your own enough so that you can build a life and not just a bank account. The speaker mentioned that sometimes the things that we once prayed for has become the things that we complained about. And we need to pause, notice, and just appreciate the life that we're living right now. So my challenge to you today is think about which of those 5 types of wealth that you've been neglecting and take one small action towards it before the end of the day. Mega Agent Camp has been powerful, and I can't wait to bring more of this energy back to not only my clients, but my team and my community. So I will see you all tomorrow for day 80. But until then, remember, excellence rooted in integrity and deliver with urgency always when you deal with me. Smile and be a blessing. And I'll see y'all for day 80. See y'all tomorrow. I'm on my way back to ATL.